Welcome to Positive Atheism English channel. I am going to present you the book Island written by Gora. Today I am going to read out the negligence of duty. This is no aspersion on younger generation, but the fact of an experience helps correct failings of the young or of the old. My host at a place was around 60. He was remarkably a man of few words. I found him busy with picking up bits of paper strewn on the floor and put them in the waste paper basket, to arrange the pages of newspapers and keep them underweights on the table, to stretch covers of seats and clear them of creases. All this he did without a word of complaint against anyone. On Wednesday morning I arrived at his place by bus and was to leave on Sunday night for the next place of my tour. Therefore, soon after my arrival, I requested him to reserve a third-class sleeper berth for me by the train on Sunday night. He listened to me with no response by word or by gesture. I was eager that I should not miss the reservation. I reminded him as we sat at the lunch. He simply replied, "Yes, you told me." I could not make out anything from that reply. I returned to my room after lunch. To my surprise, I found the ticket of reservation on the table, along with a note giving me details of the departure of the time I would take to reach that station, time of arrival at the destination, and major stops of the train on the way. Strangely, he left their postage for me to inform my friend at the next place, and mentioned in the note the latest time of clearance at the post box at the street corner 100 yards away. These were such details as I would not have taken care to gather myself. At once I wrote the letter to my host at the next place, intimating him the time of arrival on Monday morning and confirming by engagements at the place. As I stepped out of the house to drop the letter in the post box, which I could see at the crossroads, according to the instructions, my host's son, about 25 years of age, came running to me. He was as talkative as his father was silent. He expressed great respect for my age and wanted to save me the trouble of walking up to the post box. He snatched the letter from my hand, ran into the street, and offered to post the letter himself. I thanked him for the solicitude and returned to my room. I met the father and son several times on the following days, but there was no reference to the letter. On Saturday afternoon at 3:30, the son brought tea for me. So I saw the letter peeping out of the pocket of his coat. "What? You did not post the letter?" I exclaimed. He looked at the letter, dropped the tea tray on the table with a suddenness that split some milk, and came out with an explanation. "I am sorry. On that day I met a friend just on the way. He invited me for a game of chess. The game was so absorbing that I forget about the letter. Never mind, I shall post it now for express delivery. Your friend will receive it tomorrow Sunday. He will receive you on Monday. Everything will be all right. No worry for you." He literally ran to the head post office, which I was told was a mile away. An hour later, he informed me that the letter was posted for express delivery. I left on Sunday night according to the arrangements of my host. The son assured me that all would be well at the other end. The train arrived at the next place on Monday morning in time. There was no one to receive me. With some difficulty I found the place of this host and went to him. He was astonished to see me and complained that I failed to inform him according to my promise. In the absence of confirmation, he made no arrangements for the meeting on Monday and Tuesday. Nevertheless, he would try to gather some workers on Tuesday evening and requested me to stay on. The much discussed letter reached my host on Monday evening by normal delivery. It bore the label of express delivery, but the extra stamps for express delivery were not affixed. Thank you.
Please download Samaram multi-channel app and watch your favorite channels from your mobile. App available on Google Play Store, and subscribe to the channels. For more videos, please subscribe to this channel Positive Atheism and activate the bell icon.